One thing we haven't talked about yet is the angle of rotational symmetry. So for an example, we're going to use this square. It's very important to know first what the order of rotational symmetry is. Now remember, the order of rotational symmetry is how many different ways you can orient this square to where it looks exactly the same. So as we talked about before, we could lay it on this side like it is right now, and that would be one way. If we put it on this side, that's another way, and then another way if we put this side on the bottom, and then we could put this side on the bottom as well. So there's 4 different ways we can turn that square to where it looks just like a square. That means it has an order of rotational symmetry of 4. The order of rotational symmetry is directly related to the angle of rotational symmetry, because the angle of rotational symmetry, and we'll just say angle of, I'll put RS for rotational symmetry, is going to be equal to 360 degrees divided by the order of rotational symmetry. So in this case, the order is 4, so it's 360 degrees divided by 4 gives us 90 degrees. That is the angle of rotational symmetry. That's all there is to it. You figure out what the order is. In this case, the order was 4, and then divide 360 by that. So 360 degrees, 360 degrees divided by 4 gives us 90 degrees, which is the angle of rotational symmetry for this square. That's all you do.